What's up? What's up? It's your boy, Mr. Spray On, coming at you live with another video, man. Today, we have an unboxing, all right? I got something really good in here, all right? And I only know because I had to do a version or a sample of it at least. So I'm excited to see what the original is talking about. So stay tuned. Shout out to Fragrance X, by the way, for the pretty fast shipping. It says it's supposed to get here next Tuesday, and it's Friday. Look, man. I don't know what more needs to be said about that. Let's go ahead and get into this. Whew. All right, here we have it. So, some little cards, whatever, in here. But this is what we really came for right here. Yeah, man. African Leather by Memo Paris. Go ahead and get into the box. All right, so this is it without the cellophane on it. Nice box. It's my first Memo Paris fragrance, by the way. Go ahead and bust the seal. Wow, so who would have thought, well, I guess if you have a Memo fragrance, you would know, but this comes off. I don't know how to feel about that. Kind of liked it. So we got the tape off. You can see it's kind of like a leather material on the box. It's real nice. Let's go ahead and get into the inside. All right, kind of stuck to the, there we go. Yes, sir. This is it. African Leather. Excited to have this. Let's go ahead and give it a spray, see what it's talking about. Nice sprayer on this. Yeah, this is nice. All right, so I pulled up the official notes off of the website, and they are as follows. And they actually have three that are highlighted up at the top. We have cardamom essence, geranium absolute, leather accord, and then the rest of them are bergamot essence, saffron oil, cumin oil, patchouli oil, oud accord, vetiver essence, and musk. All right, so off the initial spray, I definitely got hit with that cardamom, cumin, geranium, leathery feel. And what I love about cardamom is that it's a spice, yes, but it has this cooling nature to it. So it's not just warm and so aggressive in your face. It can be aggressive if you use a lot of it, but honestly, I mean, they use just the right amount here. It kind of just has this cooling effect to it, and allows for the other, like, deeper, richer, earthier notes to shine and warm the fragrance up. So it's a nice balance between cool and warm here, which is pretty cool. But overall, like I said, I'm glad to have this. I forgot to mention this is a 75 milliliter bottle, and I didn't even know it was kind of transparent. You can see the juice. I never knew that. So, all right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and initial impressions of African Leather from the House of Memo Paris. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comment section what type of content that you want to see from me. If you love this video, or even if you hate this video, just say something, because I see y'all out here watching, but y'all not saying nothing, all right? Anyways, that's it. That's my time. I'm your boy, Mr. Spray It On, signing off.